Hello and welcome to how to make a baby blanket. This project you will need about a yard of fabric. I'm using, I think it's called flannel. I may be wrong. But it doesn't really matter. You can make it any size you want, but I'm using 1 yard. And then you will need a thread and a needle and something to cut the thread. And I forgot to bring that, so I will be back. And something that might work some. Oh, it does work. Sort of. Works good enough for my purposes. So, this is about, I think it's a yard of, does it say on here? Flannel? It's not fleece. I think it's flannel. Flannel or fleece. Pretty sure it's flannel. So, you are going to lay it flat. I probably should iron this. I'll iron it after. If yours is too wrinkled, you can, I don't know if you can iron this. If yours is too wrinkled and you have a fabric that you can iron, go ahead and iron it so that it's a nice and flat baby blanket. But other than that, you will get your needle and your thread. I usually go stretch my arms out all the way, and that's how long of a piece of thread I use. If you're a beginner, probably use a shorter piece of thread because they can get tangled easily. But thread it, and what you can do is you can either leave a little tail like this, and tie the other end, or you can double it over and tie the two ends together. And I'm going to do that because it makes it, oh, it's sliding off. It makes it I feel like it makes it stronger and it doesn't break as easy. I don't know if that's true, but I'm going to do double. Gonna knot it. I try to do double knot, but sometimes the double knot doesn't go on, so it ends up more like a triple knot. Okay, and then what you are going to do is you are going to take whichever side you like to. I sew with my right hand, so we're going to start on the right side. Is my right hand right? Yeah. And you're going to fold the fabric down probably about an inch. I usually do about an inch. And then you're just going to start sewing. We're going to use the running stitch, which is just in and out and in and out. And then you're going to do that all the way down. Well, almost all the way down, because you still have to do the corner. There we go. Pull it, and then we can start sewing. So I'm going to show you how to, let's get up here, how to tie your thread once you reach the end. So what I do is I go underneath the previous stitch like this, you can see, and I pull it and I catch it right here, and I put the needle through that, go through, and then I just pull it. That's how I tie the end. It's much easier than actually tying a knot. So I'm just going to rethread my needle and continue going to the corner. To show you what to do once you get near the corner. So once you're about this far away from the corner, you're going to fold down the corner, keep it folded right here, and fold it down about as much, same amount. And then you're going to keep sewing. What you're going to do is around the corner, you're going to do a little like square. So you're going to go right here, up, this way, and down. And then you're going to continue on the hem all the way down. And now we have finished our baby blanket. If your seams aren't straight, don't worry, mine were not either. And because it's such a big blanket, it does not really matter. Let's see the underside. Sewed all the way around. Hope this tutorial has been helpful for anyone trying to make a simple baby blanket. I will try to make a tutorial someday on how to make a quilted baby blanket. But for now, I will see you later. Goodbye.